Broadly speaking, we've got three different types of computer. We've got the laptop, and here we've got two examples of a laptop. Here we've got the Dell laptop, and here we've got a Lenovo ThinkPad. We also have the desktop computer, and this would normally sit on top of your desk. We've also got the tablet. Here we have a Lenovo tablet. Sometimes you hear them referred to as iPads. We're mainly concerned with laptops, and here we're going to show you how to open it. Pick up the front edge, you will find a catch. Pull the catch to one side and you'll be able to open up the top lid. Now you're looking for the on-off switch. Take a look along the front of the laptop towards the screen, and normally you will find the on-off switch located, sometimes on the right, could be in the middle, and sometimes on the left. Every laptop is slightly different. Here on the Lenovo laptop, the catch is on the right hand side here. Pull the catch aside and pull the lid open. Again, you're looking for the on-off symbol, and here the on-off switch is in the middle. On the desktop computer, the on-off button tends to be near the top. Push the button and the computer will come on. Laptops also have a battery. You can run a laptop from the mains power, but also it will run on a battery if it's charged up. This is a power supply for the laptop, which it plugs into the wall, and the other end plugs into the laptop. This is where the power supply plugs into the laptop, normally on the side, left or right.